Hello, my name is Grace Schilling, and I'm a junior studying community health. And in the spring of 2019, I helped conduct a program assessment on the campus cupboard. The campus cupboard came to be because of a 2017 survey, which found that 54% of KU undergraduate students are food insecure. So in the fall of 2017, it was located in the Lutheran Campus Ministries building, which is located off campus. It then moved on campus to better serve KU students, faculty, staff, and affiliates, and is located on level 4 of the Kansas Union. Some of the demographics that were found in our survey were that while a large percentage of students were undergraduate, 24.5% of users were graduate students. There were over half of the users were in-state students, while almost 30% of users were international students. Race was varied among users, and from previous studies, it's known that LGBTQIA students are more likely to be food insecure, and our survey did find that 15.9% of our users were bisexual. When it comes to addressing food insecurity, the maximum allowance at the KU campus is twice per week, and we found that 46.7% of users were visiting that maximum allowance. And the amount of days that groceries lasted was varied, with 37.8% of students, faculty, and staff being able to make their groceries last 3 to 4 days. Food assistance during the weekend was a problem sometimes for 54.3% of the users. And it was also found that 93.5% of users do not use federally funded food assistance programs. 78.3% of users also reported they do not access other pantries. So in conclusion, the campus cupboard is a good location. It's semi-accessible for most users. It has a high use of in-state students, and also a quarter of its users are graduate students. However, it has limited food options and the limited ability to connect students with local Lawrence resources, which can provide them with more groceries or perhaps education on how to make their groceries and meals last longer. We found that many students particularly are unaware of the campus cupboard being on campus, and we really hope that this research can be a rallying call for students, faculty, and staff all over campus, whether they're users or not, to speak up about food insecurity on our campus and to help rally the resources needed to keep this to be a sustainable food pantry. With users visiting twice a week, we need groceries to sustain that type of visitation by all of the different users. So we hope that this shows the types of students using this are not limited to undergraduate students, but also the graduate students located on campus. And we really would like to see more effort by the campus as a whole as far as supporting these students. Thank you so much.